Hey everyone, so today I'm showing you how to install Bluetooth drivers on Windows 11. If your Bluetooth isn't working or not showing up, you probably need to install or update the drivers. Let's get started. All right, first thing, press the Windows key and search for Device Manager. Open it. Now, look for Bluetooth in the list. If you see it, expand it by clicking the arrow. If you don't see Bluetooth at all, look for other devices or devices with a yellow exclamation mark. That usually means missing drivers. Okay, right-click on your Bluetooth device and select Update Driver. Here's the thing, you'll see two options, Search automatically for drivers or Browse my computer for drivers. Click Search automatically for drivers. Windows will search online and install the latest Bluetooth driver for you. If Windows says the best driver is already installed, click Search for updated drivers on Windows Update. This opens Windows Update settings where you can check for optional driver updates. If that doesn't work, you can manually download drivers. Open your web browser and search for your PC manufacturer's website like Dell, HP, Lenovo, or Asus. Go to their support or driver section, enter your PC model number, and look for Bluetooth drivers. Download the latest one for Windows 11. Once downloaded, go back to Device Manager, right-click your Bluetooth device, and select Update Driver. Choose Browse my computer for drivers, then click Let me pick from a list of available drivers. Click Have Disk, then Browse and navigate to where you downloaded the driver file. Select it and click OK, then Next to install. After installation, restart your computer. And that's it. Your Bluetooth drivers are now installed on Windows 11. If this helped you out, let me know in the comments below.